Hey guys, and welcome to Weekly Art Inspirations. We're trying some new things for our opening segment to welcome you guys into the fold of the art inspirations. I sound like a cult. So, moving past that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. This is coming out a week before Valentine's, which is the dumbest thing to do this so soon, and I should have done it about 3 weeks ago, but life, emotions, things, family, fun things, good things, crazy things happen, so with that said, this is happening super quick, super not on point. But I hope you guys are ready to make some Valentine's Day cards. I will tell you right now, I'm not terribly smooth with my stupid jokes, so stupid jokes are going to abound in this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope my beautiful little art sprites. I was trying to think of something like really witty that I could say that could prove to you guys how bad my jokes are, and not bad in a bad way, but like bad in like, oh my gosh, you don't understand how jokes work. So as you can see with this train wreck of a start, we are gonna get started drawing on these lovely little cards. I am doing them based on almost a Pokemon card size. I've done them a little bit fatter, not as thin, but that's what I'm going with for these. I'm gonna try and do I want to do a few different nerdy ones because I'm a gamer. I love video games. There's going to be a Tomb Raider one. There's going to be I'm hoping a Portal one. I have one that's just a really funny kind of you could give to your friend. I'm going to do just some fun ones. So stay tuned, guys. Let's get started. Let's head over to my desk, shall we? So just as a little intro, guys, one of the things I want to say is you do not have to have a lot of great art supplies to do this. This is totally based on the fact of if you want to have some fun things to do, you can use any kind of markers. I'll use some of my really crappy markers that I've got from the dollar store to show you that you can use any of them and make something really cool. But I am also going to be using my Oohoo markers. I wish on my life I could get sponsored by them or at least get them to send me some. You guys, if you want to see me have these, I would love to have you guys email them and be like, send a star briar of Weekly Art Inspirations Oohoo markers. If that happened, I would literally do a giveaway of these just to send to you guys. So if you guys want to have that happen, be sure to email them. I will leave a link in the description below of their awesome website. They have incredible products. I will also say I do have a few other markers in here from different trials that I've done of the Artist Loft. But other than that, most of these are all, I have one Copic marker. I've switched over from Copic to them. I love their markers. They just make me really happy. They're incredible. Anyways, besides the point, I will also have my little watercolor set that is a Winsor Newton watercolor set, my Jellyroll white pen, a crappy pencil that is literally taped together to keep it from breaking because it's my favorite, and the Uniball pen that I like using that can work with watercolor, and then I also have my Japanese brush pen. So with that said, guys, let's get started and create some really fun Valentines for this, lovely time of year. So the first one I wanted to start out doing was a turtly awesome, or you are turtly awesome. My friend loves turtles, and so I wanted to do this just as a joke because it's a dumb joke and I thought it would be fun. I used the Oohoo markers to make that one, and I really liked how it turned out, but it did bleed through because they're markers. I could have used a thicker paper and it would have done better, but I just stuck with it and it turned out pretty cute. Also, I didn't Google a reference picture of a turtle, so it's very wrong in a lot of anatomy, but we'll go with it. Okay, so the next one is for anyone who knows Miraculous Ladybug. I really wanted to do one that was of Chat Noir, or Cat Noir, and I really wanted to do one that was Would You Be My Lady, which I know is not spelled how he says it, but I tried, okay guys? I had so much fun doing him. I did him in watercolor just because I kind of, in the deepest part of my roots, I grew up doing watercolor as one of my really, besides acrylic, one of the first things I really loved. And so I usually revert back to my love of watercolor often. I used the Japanese pen brush thingy to do the lining, which was really thick, but it turned out looking really cute on him, and added some white details with the Jellyroll pen. The next one I did was, of course, I had to follow up that with a ladybug card, because why not? So I did Marinette doing this, and as you can tell, I have not looked at reference pictures in a while, because I did her with like top of the head pigtails, when reality is they're down by like behind her shoulders. So that had to be fixed. That one took actually a lot longer than this shows, but I just had to do Be My Lucky Charm. It took me a minute to figure out what I wanted to do for her, but I just thought it would be fun to do a little series of Miraculous Ladybug Valentine's Day cards, because there aren't any out there, and I just think they're the perfect series to have Valentine's Day cards. And I have some friends, as also some little kids I babysit, that like Miraculous Ladybug. They'll probably know about them before they get them now. But the next one I wanted to do was Plag specifically for them. Holland and Sage, if you're watching, these will be coming to you. But I did Plag with, again, watercolor, and I did Be My Camembert, and I don't know, it was kind of stupid, but it was also really fun. So the next one I decided to do was one that I have wanted. I thought this up, and I was like, this is too good, and it is If Your Heart Was a Tomb, I'd Read It, and it's for Tomb Raider. I find my own joke funny, I'm an idiot, it's fine. But I wanted to do it just because, I don't know, Tomb Raider, the video game, has been on my mind, and so I decided to do Lara Croft, and I don't know, it was just something fun. If you guys use this, please let me know. I'd love to know if you actually use these wanky little Valentine's Day cards I'm doing. Like, even just the sayings. Again, watercolor with the Japanese brush pen. And for the last one, I wanted to do a Ghibli and inspired one, because I kind of didn't do any others that were movie related. And so I did You Make My Heart Soar, of course, being Kiki's Delivery Service, one of my all-time favorites. Okay guys, I just finished up the last one. I'm sure that throughout this video you guys have noticed that the lighting has kind of changed. It has gotten very dark outside, it's very windy today, and so I am going to have to change a little bit of my setup coming up here. So I started out by doing with the markers, and those are great. I really like the markers, but then I decided to go back. I love watercolor, it's something I've always really been fond of, and so my first one though is You're Turtly Awesome. It's so stupid, guys, but this is going to a good friend of mine. She's probably already watching and knows. This one is, so I did 3 for Miraculous Ladybug. I have some fans, some friends, and some little kids that I babysit that love this show. This one will probably be going to my friend. It says Be My Lucky Charm. Another one is Will You Be My Lady? I know that My Lady is spelled differently when Chat Noir says it, but I wanted to do it that way, so it's, you know, please no one kill me for it. And then our next one is of Little Plag. He did kind of turned out looking a little crazy, but I'm still happy with him. Be My Camembert. And then another one that I just thought would be hilarious is video gaming, which is If Your Heart Was a Tomb, I'd Rate It, and it's Tomb Raider. I thought up this one on accident while I was taking a shower, and I was like, this is so dumb, but I have to do a card that says this. So that one might be my favorite. And then the last one is a Studio Ghibli one, and it says You Make My Heart Soar, and it is a Kiki work of art. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I know it didn't go over a whole bunch of different genres or things that you guys might know of, but I did some things that I love that I knew my friends would like. And I think that's the funnest part about making Valentine's Day cards, is a lot of times it's just finding the that really are matching what your friends would like or what would make them laugh. And so I would say whatever show you guys like, whatever game, whatever movie, just kind of, you know, tailor it. Find something funny you can say of it, or find something really cute. I considered doing a Harry Potter one, and I was really close to doing one. If you guys want a bonus video after Valentine's Day or on Valentine's Day, please like this video and comment below. If I get enough, I don't even know, let's say like 15 likes. If we get 15 likes on this video, or if we get a few comments that are saying you guys want to see it, I'll do some more really specific like Harry Potter, or you know, even let me know in the comments below. What kind of movies, books, shows would you guys like to have me do Valentine's Day cards about? And we can even do it after Valentine's Day. But with that said, guys, I hope you have enjoyed seeing these, and I hope you will come back next week to enjoy more. If you like this video, be sure to like it below, of course. And if you want to see more, I will have more at the end of this video right over here. If you'd like to subscribe and join the Art Sprites community, that would be fantastic. Also, if you want to hit the bell icon, that'll just help you know when videos are uploaded. I try to do at least 2 videos a week now. I know that's going to be new, but I will be trying to do some bonus videos coming up. It will either be every other week that they come out on Friday, or every week, and as always on Monday you will be seeing a new weekly art inspirations. So guys, stay inspired, stay amazing, and with love, may you have an artastic type of day. Bye guys!